welcome back to my channel. Today's hair is from WeQueen. We're gonna be trying their Kinky curly headband wig. So this is how the wig comes that I'm showing you. I have it in the natural black color. I believe you can dye it to whatever color you prefer, but I chose to just keep it as black. It comes with the headband and a velcro to close it up. So I'm just showing you how the wig looks on the inside. It has a comb in the front, 2 combs on the side, and then 1 comb in the back. It is also, they give you pretty beautiful elastic headbands that you can wear over the wig. I really love the hair. I have it in the length 12 inch, which is pretty short, but I love it. It looks so natural when you put it on. That's one thing I love about this wig, as you can see. So this is how the wig looks in this natural state. I'm just running my fingers through it because I like big hair, just to fluff it out a little bit. The hair is very soft. There is no shedding at all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna spray some leave-in conditioner into the hair just to give it a little bit moisture, because I felt that it was a bit dry. So once again, I'm just running my fingers through it as I sprayed it. That's all I'm doing, just running my fingers through it. This is so easy to put on. Like, I am in love with headband wigs. So all I did was I just have cornrows underneath and I just laid my baby hair a little bit down. So here I'm just gonna put on the wig. As you can see, very easy to put on, and I just love how minimum work that requires with this type of wigs, and I just love it so much. So I'm just gonna pull it up and just show you how I put it on, which is pretty easy. There's really not much to say. Once again, this hair is from WeQueen. I'm gonna go ahead and leave their link down below where you can purchase the hair from their website. I just love it. I love it. I just love how much it just, you don't have to do too much. You don't even have to do anything at all. Just put it on your head like you see me do here, and that's it, guys. That is it. You don't have to do anything. I'm just just running my fingers through it. That's it. You don't have to do anything at all. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you with different types of the headbands that it gave me, how you can rock it. Once again, you don't have to wear the headbands that come with it. You can choose to wear with the black one, just like this. But I just wanted to give you guys different looks of it, and I'm just gonna show you now. Once again, this is from WeQueen. This is the Kinky curly headband wig in the length 12 inch. This mimics natural hair so much. I just love it. I love it. I'm gonna leave their website down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate you. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, please do so down below. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up so I'll know that you guys love this type of videos from me. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.